Welcome to Jotform. My name's George, and today I'm going to show you how to create an online order form on WordPress. So follow me to my desktop right now. Alright, to get started with our online order form on WordPress, let's head on over to our WordPress site. Now, here we have a fresh install of a WordPress site, so this is completely new. What we're going to do is install the Jotform plugin. So let's head on over to Plugins, Add New. We're going to search for Jotform. And we're going to install this one, Jotform Online Order Forms. So let's click Install. Now that it's installed, let's go to our installed plugins. And let's go ahead and activate it. Now that it's activated, let's go to our next step. Let's go create that online order form on Jotform. So let's head on over to My Forms, and we're going to create a brand new form. Now we have three options. We can create from scratch, template, or import a form. In this case, we're going to use a template to speed up things. So use a template, and there's hundreds of online order forms. So let's click on the order forms section, and we can preview any of these forms that we like by clicking on them. If we like what we see, we can use the template, or we can choose from other one. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And in this case, it's a good online order form. So we have some products right here. It has for full name, email. It's already asking for the billing address. So this is a good template to use. So let's use the template. All right, so it just loaded in the template. If we are fine with the fields that are already added, then we're good to go. What we do have to add is the payment settings. So do go ahead and add the payment settings right here by connecting to your PayPal account, or if you will be connecting to other form of payments, do select one of these in case you don't want to use PayPal. In this case, we'll just leave it this way. We'll go ahead and publish it and open it in a new tab. Alright, so this is the form that we've just created, and if we're good to go, then we're going to use this one. So let's head on over to our WordPress plugin. So let's head on over to our WordPress site. Okay, so here's our WordPress site, and what we're going to do is head on over to Pages, and we're going to test this in a page. We'll use this sample page as an example. So let's click on Edit. Let's scroll down here. Let's click Enter, and we're going to add a brand new element right here. So by adding this block, we're going to click Add Block, and we're going to use the classic block. So let's click on Classic Block. Alright, so now that it's loaded, we're going to see this little Jotform icon right here. So let's go ahead and click on this little icon. Alright, and here is the order form that we've just created. Now, if you haven't previously connected to Jotform by logging in, it will ask for a login information first. Now, it's going to display all the forms that we have available. In this case, we're going to use a product order form. So let's go ahead and continue. And it added the embed code right here automatically. So let's go ahead and preview this one right here by opening in a new tab. And this is our WordPress site. Let's wait for it to load. And here it is. Here is the online order form that we've just created, and now it's embedded on our WordPress site. Super easy and super fast. So in this form, we have already all the information, so they can select, they can add the information like their name, the email, contact form, billing address, so on and so forth, and make their payment with the payment gateway that you use. Now, this is one of the ways that you can embed the form. There's a second method that we can embed. So let's test this second method out. By first, let's get rid of the plugin. So let's go ahead and go to our main dashboard and go over to plugins. We're going to deactivate it. What does that mean? We're not going to use a Jotform plugin. What we're going to use is we're going to use the embed code from our Jotform. So let's go ahead on over to our Jotform right here. Let's go into, let's just pretend we're in the form already. Let's go into Publish. We're going to go to Embed, and we're going to use this embed code right here. So let's copy the code. Let's go back to our WordPress site. Again, let's go into our page, sample page by editing. Let's go down here. Let's add a custom HTML. Let's add our code right here, and let's go ahead and preview this again. Alright, here it is. Now we're able to embed our Jotform by two methods. One, by using the plugin, or two, by using the embed code we just used. So that is the way that you can create an online order form on WordPress with Jotform. We thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.